Hello, Dr. Gail Van Canigan here with Midwest Energy Movement, Healing with Joy. I'm going to show you a procedure to do that connects well over thousands of energetic connections throughout the body to bring in a total harmonizing balance for you. It's called jumper cable the hands. What you'll do is you'll take your first three fingers, your thumb, index, and middle finger, and you make a 3-finger notch. Do it on the right hand, and you take that and you place it right into the center of the palm of the left hand, and then you just drape your hands over those fingers. And now what we do is we take in a breath, in through the nose and out through the mouth with Darth Vader breath. And in again, and exhale. And you notice I'm exhaling for much longer than I'm inhaling, and this helps to bring about the changes. Now I'm going to take my 3-finger notch, and I'm going to actually encase my right hand around my left thumb, and I'm going to breathe. And again. Now I move to my ring finger, encasing it completely with my right hand. And breathe. Move to the middle finger. And now the index finger. Now I'm going to do the same process the opposite direction. 3-finger notch with my other hand. In this case, it's my left. I'm going to place it directly in the center of the palm on my right. And I'm just going to fold my fingers over the top of those of the hand in there. Okay, and I'm going to breathe again. Inhale. And now you're going to encase the thumb, did before on the other side, and breathe. And now ring finger. And it doesn't matter which hand you start with. Middle finger. Now index finger. And now baby finger. And you can place your hands on your heart. Feel grateful. Feel the changes and the shifts in your body. Thank you.